Middle Ages 1200 to 1526 C. Aspect of the water construction and water technology are described in the Arabic and Persian works in the medievals. Indian the proliferation of the Indian and Persian irrigation technologies gave rise to the irrigation system that led to economic development and material culture. Agriculture zones were widely distributed among rice, wheat, and maize growers. Rice production continued to dominate Gujarat and wheat in the northern and central India. Sugar mills soon appeared in India during this period. Evidence of the use of the drawbar for sugar milling was reported in Delhi in 1540, but this may have been the cause before and was mainly used in the North Indian subcontinent. Later in the Mughal India, sugar rolling mills was published in the 17th century about the manufacture of the insects along with the principle of rulers. Mughal period 1526 to 1757 AD. Under the Mughal empires, Indian agricultural production increased, during which time India's population increased. Several crops were grown, including wheat, rice, and barley crops, and non-edible cash crops such as cotton, indigo, and opium. By the middle of the 17th century, Indian farmers began to grow two new crops from the United States: corn and tobacco. The ground management of the Akbar Azam era government from 1556 to 1605 was particularly strong, under which the scholar bureaucrats Todermal devised and implemented detailed methods for the agriculture management on a regional basis. Separate Indian crops such as the cotton, sugar, and the citrus fruits in North America, Africa, Islamic Spain, and Middle East, if they were cultivating before the consolidation of Islam in India. The recent wave resulted in further improvement in their production, which was far-reaching economic consequences of the region involvement. The Mughal administration emphasizes on agriculture reforms, which started under Surat King Sher Shah Suri, which was adopted by Akbar and facilitate further reform. The civilian administration was organized in a merit-based ranking manner with performance-based promotion. The Mughal government providing financing for the construction of irrigation system throughout the empire, which increased the production of the crops and increased net income, leading to the increased agricultural production. One of the major Mughal reforms introduced by Akbar was a new land revenue system called Zebat. He replaced the tribute system, which was commonly in India at that time and used by Japan. Tokugawa was a uniform currency-based financial tax system. The tax system was based in favor of high-value cash crop like cotton, indigo, sugarcane. Three crops opium provide state incentives to grow cash crops in addition to growing demand in the market under the Zebat system. And the Mughals also conducted extensive cadastral and surveys to assess the area of the land under cultivation, which provides tax-free periods for cultivators of the Mughal state. Inspired new land cultivating more and more land by offering. Currently, Indian agriculture is more competitive than the European was developed, such as the common use of the seeds drills in Indian farmers before being adopting an European agriculture. The average farming around the world was skilled and growing only a few crops. The average Indian farmers become increasingly popular in the new world with the profitable new crops such as world corn and tobacco, as well as large number of throughout the Mughal India were also able to cultivate 1600 to 1650. Bengali farmers rapidly learned to techniques of mulberry cultivation and field farming, making Bengal Sabha as one of the world's largest silk production region.